Although we live in a digital age, don't forget the timeless art of networking to grow your insurance agency. Because in a business that is built on trust, your ability to connect with people is actually your most valuable asset. And whether you're doing that online or in person, mastering the art of networking isn't just a growth tactic, it is the foundation for your long term success. Networking plays a vital role in achieving long term success in your insurance business. And insurance agents have to work their networks effectively to build lasting relationships with clients and then also to sustainably grow their businesses. And attracting new clients is really only half the battle because once you as an agent have brought a new client into your business, it's essential to ensure that they are satisfied with the service they're receiving. Long term clients are going to bring consistent revenue and significantly contribute to the success of your agency. And that's why using effective networking techniques are so critical because they're going to help you turn those new clients into loyal ones, and those loyal ones are going to become your best referral advocates over time, and they're going to bring the long term value of your agency to its maximum potential. So, in today's episode, I'm going to help you master the art of networking. We'll look at some key strategies and give you some actionable tips and insights to help you as an agent make the most of your networking efforts. Now, this first thing is kind of a no brainer, but let me emphasize it for you. Be sure to attend industry events. You as an agent should continually work on expanding your network by engaging with other industry professionals. Attend conferences, seminars, webinars. These are all great ways to do this. And these events are going to bring together like-minded individuals who are passionate about insurance, and they're going to offer you excellent networking opportunities and a chance to share experiences and insights. Participating in these types of events will help you expand your professional network, build relationships with other insurance professionals, and then stay updated on trends and innovations in the field. You also want to join insurance networking groups. There are tons of networking groups that focus specifically on the insurance industry and the sub-niches within the industry. And so platforms like LinkedIn and X and Facebook are going to host a lot of these different communities, and you as an agent should actively join and engage with those communities to learn best practices and cross-pollinate good ideas. But let me remind you, simply joining isn't enough. You need to be an active participant. Engage in discussions, answer questions, share your own insights. You're going to get out of the groups what you put into the groups. So active involvement not only boosts your visibility, but it's also going to boost your credibility and trust among peers, and it's going to elevate your own platform. Don't forget to leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for networking. Agents that use platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, X, Facebook, and LinkedIn to promote their services and connect with their target audiences are agents that generally do very well overall. You see, social media isn't just about visibility. Agents should also be using these platforms to engage with prospects, answer questions, and build relationships in their markets. Consistent and meaningful interactions on social media can really help turn prospects into long-term clients and also build good referral networks for new business. And that brings me to this next point. You want to build mutually beneficial partnerships. I call them joint venture partnerships. And while agents often are competing with each other, there are also a lot of opportunities for collaboration. For example, a life insurance agent can partner with agents specializing in health, travel, or auto insurance. Those partnerships allow for mutual referrals and also expanded service offerings. And then by working together, you can provide clients with a more comprehensive solution and grow their business collaboratively. And then you also want to look for those joint venture opportunities with professionals who are in what I call adjacent industries: mortgage brokers, real estate agents, accountants, attorneys, people who can be great feeder sources for you. And then engage with your local community, because that's another excellent networking opportunity. You should remain visible and active in your local community by volunteering, by sponsoring events, or just simply being present at local gatherings and activities. Remember, community engagement is going to build trust. It's going to help you forge connections with potential clients, potential referral sources, and people simply are more likely to do business with professionals that they recognize and who are active in their local community. And then remind clients about policy renewals. One of the most simple yet impactful ways to maintain those client relationships is simple reminders about those upcoming renewals. This proactive communication cycle is going to show that you are, number one, proactive, and number two, that you care about your clients and you want to help ensure continued uninterrupted service. Regular reminders are also going to reinforce your role as a helpful and reliable resource, which is going to contribute to long-term retention. So here's the real key, though. Start networking today. This isn't something to put off till tomorrow. Make networking something you do each and every day. One of the things that you may want to build into your schedule is each day you reach out to 5 people who are in your contact list, and you just make that a normal part of your daily flow. You figure out what works best for you. I've given you some effective strategies that you can implement. You have to decide which ones make the most sense for you and which ones are most valuable to you and your agency. Each one has its own unique benefits that are going to contribute to your long-term success. But remember this, networking is going to take time, it's going to take effort, it is an ongoing process, and it's going to require dedication and consistency on your part. But marketing professionals can offer some value, some guidance, and support to you as an agent who are looking to optimize your network strategy. So work with your marketing professionals, whether you have those internally or externally, and they can help you craft a good networking strategy. Now, if you need a marketing professional, a good growth partner to come alongside you here at Agent Branding and Marketing, we'd love to be your growth partner. You can schedule a strategy session with us at agentbrandingandmarketing.com/schedule. We'd love to spend some time working with you and developing your strategy to dominate your market. Thanks for tuning in to this episode, and I look forward to speaking with you on our next episode.